At Astral Roofing, roofers Surrey, we know how important it is to have a reliable and sturdy roof over your head. That's why we're dedicated to providing top-notch chimney flashing services in Surrey. We're not just any roofing company. We're the ones you can count on when it comes to keeping your chimney in top shape, regardless of the weather or time of day. One of the things that sets us apart is our emergency services. We're there for you 24/7, ready to tackle any sudden leaks or damages that might be threatening your property. This is particularly crucial when it comes to chimneys, as any damage can quickly escalate into a major issue if not addressed promptly. Here's what you can expect from our services: 24/7 emergency response to address sudden leaks or damages, expertise in using top-quality materials for chimney flashing, skilled team with years of experience in the roofing industry, commitment to protect your property at all times.